back to HartLabs. Today we will see Python module. What is Python module is basically all about, the syntax of it and how to use it in your program. So just recall the functions topic. If you guys haven't watched functions, just go back to the Python playlist and watch it. And the new people who are watching the videos, if you already know about functions, then it's very good. If you don't know about functions, then watch our playlist. Okay. So what is basically the function is all about? Function is a container. Same way, module is also a container which can contain your functions, classes, variables, everything. Okay. So there are many modules available in Python for specific work. Okay. And also we can create our own Python module. So today we will see how to create our own Python module and how to use it in our program. Okay. Okay. And let me state the reason why we creating module. Okay. The reason is it makes it easier to understand and use, because we group the similar task into one group, which results into organized structure. Okay. So it's easier to use later on. Okay, now let's create our calculator. Okay, because we are taking calculator as a example. Okay, so we will create a basic calculator. So def add x comma y, return x plus y, because return keyword is used to return something. So we are saying x plus y, that what you should return. Subtract x comma y, return x minus y, def multiplication x comma y, return x into y. Okay, so just run this and you can just cross verify if your function is working or not. So I will just verify the one of it. Add 4 comma 4. So yeah, it's working. Now we will download this. Okay, download as python.py, because always remember you have to download your module in .py, .python format. Okay, not in any other format. Okay, so download it, go back to your folder and we will upload the calculator. Okay, upload. If you will see here, the calculator.py is uploaded. Now we'll go back to our home and we'll open a new Python notebook. Okay, here we will say import calculator. Now import whatever name you have given to your module, you have to write that thing. Okay, so let me do one thing. Just above I will write syntax. So syntax is basically import module name. Okay, and you can also give alias name, alias also as cal to make it short. Okay, now we have imported. Now we'll say cal dot add 10 comma 5 15 cal dot multiplication, okay, 2 comma 6, okay, cal dot subtraction 100 minus 78 22. So this is what module is all about. Okay, so we can create our custom modules and we can use them accordingly. Now further in further class we will make sure to understand it in a more broader way, that how you can uh, use the inbuilt modules. Today we have seen only a simple module creation, our own custom module creation and how to use it. Okay, later on we will see the inbuilt modules, and also we will go a step ahead to see that how you can create a advanced module and how we can take leverage of that into another program. For now, just understand in this way that the modules is a container where we can store whatever you want, and you can consume wherever you need that particular module. For example, there is one of the inbuilt Python module, it's math module. Okay, so import math. You can do this, or either if you want any specific things. Let's say from math, I will say from math I want only square root, so I will say import sqrt, square root. Okay, so I will say simply print sqrt of 16. So what is the square root of 16? It's 4. Okay, so we'll see in which scenario you should use module. So, and there are numbers of inbuilt Python modules. So as soon as we will move further, because we will also introduce our data science program, so in that you will be able to see more Python inbuilt modules in detail. Okay, and the custom modules we will see in future in more advanced way when we will create a project out of it. First let's complete the topics, then we will try to create a big project. Okay, so that's it for the day. I hope you all understood the module concept. Okay, if any doubt, anything, just drop in the comment. Thank you for watching.